Watch AI create an employee compensation and performance dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our employee data file. Import complete. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch Brix's AI get to work. The AI is analyzing salary information, performance ratings, overtime hours, and promotion data to identify the most meaningful insights. It's automatically generating charts for salary versus overtime by team, performance rating distributions, average overtime by job title, and promotion trends over time. The AI is also creating department-level analytics and recent promotions tables. Perfect! Our employee compensation and performance dashboard is complete with 6 interactive charts and 2 data tables showing comprehensive workforce analytics. We can instantly change themes to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our insights. This view maximizes each visualization for clear presentation to stakeholders. Charts display employee compensation patterns, performance distributions across departments, and promotion trends that help leadership make informed HR decisions. We can navigate between widgets seamlessly during presentations. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every element, customizing layouts and drilling into specific data points. Try Brix today and transform how you work with data.